How Many Birds by Don L. Curry. Adelie penguins. Look at these penguins waddling across the ice. Can you think of a quick way to count them? We can count them quickly if we put them into groups. Are you ready? Let's count. 2 horned puffins. I see one group of 2 puffins sitting on a rock. How many puffins are in that one group? One group of 2 puffins equals 2 puffins. If you write it as a math problem, it would look like this. 2 plus 0 equals 2. White pelicans. Now I see 2 groups of 2 pelicans standing in a pond. How many pelicans are in the pond? 2 groups of 2 pelicans equal 4 pelicans. If you write it as a math problem, it will look like this. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Lesser flamingos. I see 3 groups of 2 flamingos standing in a swamp. How many flamingos are in the 3 groups? 3 groups of 2 flamingos equal 6 flamingos. If you write it as a math problem, it will look like this. 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. Royal terns. I see 4 groups of 2 royal terns on the beach. How many royal terns are there in 4 groups? 4 groups of 2 royal terns equal 8 royal terns on the beach. If you write it as a math problem, it will look like this. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 8. Bald eagles. Wow, look at all the bald eagles. Can you count them all? 5 groups of 2 bald eagles equal 10 bald eagles perched on a branch. If you write it as a math problem, it will look like this. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 10. Blue titmice. Another quick way to count is to use groups of 3. Here is one group of 3 young blue titmice crying for food. One group of 3 blue titmice equals 3 young blue titmice. If you write it as a math problem, it would look like this. 3 plus 0 equals 3. Mute swans. Look at the swans swimming in the pond. How many swans do you count? 2 groups of 3 swans equal 6 swimming swans. If you write it as a math problem, it will look like this. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Fulvous whistling ducks. Look, see the whistling ducks? There are 3 groups of 3 whistling ducks waiting in the marsh. How many whistling ducks do you count? 3 groups of 3 whistling ducks equal 9 whistling ducks waiting in the marsh. If you write it as a math problem, it will look like this. 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9. How many birds? Count the groups of 2. You tell me how many birds you see. 2 plus 0 equals 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 8. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 10. Now how many birds do you see? Count each kind of bird using groups of 3. 3 plus 0 equals 3. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9. Adeline penguins. Remember all of these penguins waddling across the ice? Now you know an easy way to count them. How many groups of penguins are on the ice? How many penguins are in each group? If you write it as a math problem, it will look like this. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 8. The end. For teachers, you have a few resources in the back of this book. If you would like to check out this book, please contact me and I will send the book over to you.